Good morning, 911 fans. Today we've got something kind of special. From Dental Duty, we have teeth whitening strips, and we also have an LED light. Now, to prove how easy this is, I'm actually wearing the strips right now. So if you notice a little lisp, it's because I'm wearing the strips. See? So these teeth whitening strips, I really do believe in them. You know, I've always been, a lot of people always comment that I've got a very nice smile, and the realistic aspect of this is, yeah, I certainly try to use a straw when I drink a little extra water, rinse my mouth out if I have something dark colored for soda. But the biggest thing that probably makes a difference is teeth whitening strips. And now, the Crest White strips were revolutionary when they came out. They were a very good product, but they cornered the market, and they were ridiculously expensive. This, under 20 bucks, and this gives you 28 strips. So this is gonna give you, honestly, like, now the instructions will tell you a little different. I'm gonna let you read your own instructions. But I'm kind of in the maintenance mode where I'll wear a white strip maybe once a month. Wear it for a little while and make sure I keep my teeth looking white. And I've got them in right now, and I'll show you. The top one is actually in, and then the bottom one, you can see, just peel off, and you stick it to your teeth. You try to get them in there real good so you can still talk and carry on a conversation. Now, I will note that if you do have any sort of sensitivity in your teeth, that's sometimes a sign that you've got some gum damage or anything like that. The one thing I've noticed is, like, if I brush my teeth vigorously before I do the teeth whitening, then my teeth sometimes my gums hurt a little bit. As long as I don't brush my teeth vigorously before using any kind of whitening toothpaste or whitening strips, I have no issue. So that's just my own personal recommendation. The dental light, I've actually already taken this out of the box. Now, this comes with, you don't have to form it, it comes with a little tray. You put the tray in your mouth, and then you put the light up to the tray, and it advances the speed at which you get the whitening. So say you leave these in for 10 minutes. I'm not going to do that for the video because it does make it awkward to talk, but you get the idea. Also, another reminder that I thought I would tell you about this is when you first get this, there's going to be a little piece of plastic in the, there we go. There's going to be a little piece of plastic in the batteries. It keeps the batteries from wearing out while it's on the shelf. I hear so many people like, oh, I bought this and I had to return it because it didn't work. Your biggest issue, there you go, tells you it's working, is that people don't take the little piece of plastic out. So your first use, make sure you take the piece of plastic out. Okay, so high adhesion, you can see that I can wear them, have a conversation, and you probably wouldn't notice them. Oftentimes if I'm going to the gym during the day, if I'm going to wear them, I'll put them on before I go to the gym, go lift my weights, do whatever. No one ever knows I have them in my mouth. The LED, again, under 20 bucks is the current price. Prices change. Comes with a 30-day warranty, fast results, safe, BPA free. Comes with a nice carrying case for, I mean, you can put anything you want in there. I would probably put the mouth guard in there. But that's actually a nice thing. A lot of these don't come with a nice carrying case, and a lot of the lights can be really expensive. So the fact that you can get this with Amazon Prime, you can get expedited shipping, you can pay, about 20 bucks for it, is a really good deal. The ingredients on the whitening strip: PVP, K30 glycerol, water, alcohol, hydrogen, peroxide, menthol. And actually you can taste kind of the minty menthol flavor to it. And just so you see, it does come with a stack of whitening strips, right? And actually, it comes with something where you can measure the before and after. So if you've never done teeth whitening before, I can 100% guarantee that it isn't a hoax, it actually works. If you've had any teeth sensitivity before, that may be just how you use the teeth whitening, and I would recommend picking up a kit like this. We'll put an Amazon link in the description below. And if you're having some sensitivity to your gums, anything like that, try adjusting the amount of time you put it on there, and how long after you brushed your teeth or flossed or anything like that. The LED light is a nice companion. You do have to have, the LED light does say you should have some sort of teeth whitening product associated with it. You can't just put this in your mouth by itself. That looks kind of fun, doesn't it? But I would absolutely recommend it. Let's see if we can get a thumbnail from this, right? Smile. All right. So great products here. Go to Dental Duty on Amazon. I'll put links in the description below. I highly recommend it. I use these products all the time. These aren't ones that someone will send me and I'll throw out. These will be used until they're done. Honestly, I probably won't do it for a 14-day period. My teeth are pretty white, so I'll do more of a maintenance. But they're a great product, so go ahead and check it out. I'm Adam from 911 Reviews. Click like and subscribe. We've got new videos coming out all the time. We've got this cell phone case that we have to review, this dog collar that we have to review. We got so much stuff coming out. Stuff from Active Gear guys, some camping equipment, nets and bags. I've just got a stack of stuff over here that people have sent me to check out. Some good, some not so good. I got some dog bags for picking up waste that are not so good, and I've got some that are okay. So subscribe to the channel for new videos every week. Thanks for watching. I'm Adam, and we are out of here. Adios, amigos.
And don't forget to check out our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. If you love pop culture, entertainment, and a little bit of science, then check out the link in the description below.